Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn a few more things about text before going ahead to finish our poster design which we started in the last module. So we'll select your text tool and click to create a point text. Now I want to just make this 0 and make this 60, maybe even make this bigger. Okay. Now the first thing I want us to look at is the text menu. Okay, that's this menu, the text menu or the type menu. Now there are lots of advanced stuff here which are not meant for this level or which are not meant for this course. They are meant for the advanced course. Okay, but there are just a few things I might want you to see. So the first thing is probably how to change your type or your text from a point text to a paragraph text or an area text. Okay, this is paragraph text or area text. Remember I said there are two types of text. We have the point text and we have the paragraph text, right? So if you create a point text like this one, remember, create a point text like this one, remember you can keep typing for point text, right? So let's say you create a point text like this one, you can actually convert this to a paragraph text. So how do we do that? Just come to type and then convert to paragraph text, which is the same thing as area text, right? So it means when you come and now you do this, you're going to be increasing the area, not the size of the text you get. And it means you can just keep typing and it's going to fill in our area. You get the point? So that's how to convert from a point text to a paragraph text. Now this is a paragraph text or an area text, and if you want to convert it back to a point text, you just do the same thing, go to file and convert to point text, and now it's back as a point text. So there are other few things, and for example we should learn how to convert the orientation. Right now this is horizontal orientation. We can change this to a vertical orientation and we have our text looking like this. You get? So these little things are possible with the type menu. We just lost our text here and just use my keyboard direction keys to bring it to frame. Good. So we have other ones. Okay, we have rasterized type layer. So it turns our type layer into a normal layer. Now this is what I mean by normal layer. It turns our type layer into something like this, with a type in it. You get? So it means you can have more control, but you lose your editing capabilities which come with the type tool. Okay, so that's what that option does. That's the option to rasterize your type, and then we can convert our text to shapes. So we have to just click here and we now have shapes instead of text. So now we can use our direct selection tool and select anchor points and modify them. You get? So now we now have shapes. You get? Very powerful option here. You can see we've totally modified some of these characters just because we were able to convert our text to a shape. So I'm just doing Ctrl-Z to convert it back to our text. And let's look at one more option. We can convert our text to a path, to walk path. Okay, so that's also possible. So I'm just going to undo, and then now I'll just delete this second word here so that I can make this bigger, and we can look at the last thing I want you to learn, which is the text wrap option. Perfect. Now select your shape, or rather select your text, and then select the type tool, click inside. Now when you click inside, you're going to see these options, right? You're going to see these options. Now remember, of course, this guy is for changing your font style. This guy is for changing these options of how your font appears, and then we have this one for changing your font size. You get? And then these other ones are irrelevant for now, and we have this guy here. Now when you click on this guy, you're going to see what we call text wrap. Click on none, let's select this one. So this is what it does now. As you can see, it wraps our text in a certain way, you get, or in a certain form. It kind of distorts our text in a certain profile, you get. So we have many other ones to choose from. We have the arc, which does this. Then we have the upper arc, which does this. And then we can choose whether it affects horizontally or vertically. This is what we get vertically and horizontally. And then we can choose the arc, we can choose the bulge, we can choose the shell. You can just experiment with all of these to see what you come up with. You get, so that's it for the text wrap. It allows us to modify our texts in this way. So in this video, we've been able to cover the text wrap options, and we've been able to see some other advanced or a little bit more advanced options under the text menu. So that will be it for this video. See you in the next one.
Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.